This is one of the easiest way to draw anime hair. Give me 2 minutes to show you. The whole thing that we will do is to choose a part of the hair and fill it and leave one place as a highlight. And the key is that all the highlights must be next to each other in a row in one line. So for this one, the highlight area is here. By the way, this is the wrong and the right way to draw hair. As you see, I'm filling this part, and when I'm going further, I make it a bit darker. And make the edges darker too for more depth and shadow. When you do this for all the hair sections, you should have this hair. You got it.